seriously, you pull a taser on me for what?
Huh?
What's your...
Potentially got a weapon in your...
A weapon in my pocket? You're off your head. That look like a weapon to you?
I don't know what it is, man.
Yeah, absolute plonkers. Put the taser away. There is no weapon here.
Okay,
Put the taser away.
Okay.
You're pointing a fucking taser at me. Put it away.
Don't play like
You're
that.
pointing a gun at me. Put it away. Okay? I don't carry any weapons.
Okay.
You pulled a fucking taser on me. Let's shut your mouth and keep it shut and do your little job. Go and get your paper slip and piss off back into your station. You absolute mug. Put a fucking taser on someone. You absolute mug with your blue line badge. Take that fucking travesty off and foremost.
An auditor visiting Peterborough Police HQ is suddenly surrounded by 8 officers and has a taser pointed directly at his face. Their reason? They mistook his camera gimbal for an offensive weapon. Despite immediately clarifying what the object was, officers keep the taser trained on him, rush him, yank his arms behind his back, and handcuff him. To make matters worse, a plainclothes officer then turns off his GoPro, the only active camera, attempting to destroy the evidence of their overreach. When the footage resumes, the police are digging through his bag, questioning a perfectly legal defense spray, and threatening him with a Section 4A public order offense just for being angry about having a loaded weapon pointed at him.
Stop where you are.
You just stop where you are.
Stop where you are. Put your hands out to the side. Put your hands out to the side.
What are you doing?
Hands out to the side,
What are you
mate.
doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Put your hands out to
Put
the
the
side.
taser away, man.
Put your hands out to the
Behave
side.
yourself. What are you
Put your hands out to
doing?
the side.
Behave yourself.
Stay where you are.
Wow. Seriously, you pull a taser on me for what?
Huh?
What's your...
Potentially got a weapon in your...
A weapon in my pocket? You're off your head.
Okay.
Oh, you've messed up today.
Okay.
You've messed up big time.
Okay.
I need you all to identify yourself.
Why are you in this car park?
None of your business. How about that?
It is my business.
No, it's not your business.
Property. You can't
It's
be
not your business. That look like a weapon to you?
I don't know what it is, man.
Yeah, absolute plonkers. Put the taser away. There is no weapon here.
Okay,
Put the taser away.
Okay.
You're pointing a fucking taser at me. Put it away.
Don't play like
You're
that.
pointing a gun at me. Put it away. Okay? I don't carry any weapons.
Okay.
Put it away.
I'll put it
Put
away.
your taser away.
Stop.
You're taking a piss. I'm walking about and you pulled a fucking taser on me.
Okay, right.
Put the taser away.
Listen to me. Shout, okay?
Shut up. You're just pointing a gun, a loaded weapon at me.
Because you're walking around a police car. Okay,
What?
you're detained
I'm
for
watching
search.
it. You hear
Okay?
yourself.
You come onto this property.
And what?
The police property.
And what?
Right, you've got a hood up mask on.
And what?
Okay, you're acting suspicious.
What are you doing? Don't touch my GoPro. Don't interfere with my evidence. What are you doing? Don't turn it off. What on earth are you doing? Hello?
Buddy.
You found yourself in
take it
trouble?
back, buddy.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
Listen, take it off. Take it off, mate. Absolute mug. Ever put your hands on me again, son? You understand?
Just remember, you are still
talk to me.
detained at the
Talk
minute
to
for
me.
research. Okay?
Martin, that's
You are
fine.
still
That's
detained.
fine, but he's not going to put his hands on me. I can assure you that.
Can use
that's fine.
force
Look,
for
mate.
research.
What?
Listen.
What did he use for?
Hey.
You put a taser on me.
Listen.
You put me in
You
cuffs.
had what
Buddy,
looked like a weapon
I'm doing the
sticking out
search.
your
Talk to
pocket.
me, alright? Let's get this bag.
Don't tell her to shut her mouth.
Listen. We'll get this bag.
Absolute
we'll have a look
mug.
inside and then you can get on your way, alright?
Where's my gimbal, by
Okay.
the way? Where's my property? The thing that you thought was a weapon.
Because you're still detained for research.
Can I get it back, please?
You will. As soon as you open that, I have a look inside, then you're good to go, alright?
You're not looking at the
I'm not
code.
looking at
Stop
the
being
code.
sneaky.
You're still detained for a search, so
understand
I'm going
that.
to look what you're doing
No,
because I don't know what you're going to get out the bag.
You're not.
Okay?
I'm not.
So I'm going to watch
Right.
what
Do
you're
the code.
doing.
Look, I can't see your
I'll
code
do the
from
code.
here. I can't see
I'll
it from
push the
here.
button and then I'll clear the code. Okay? Because I'm not going to look at it. It's my
Okay.
private
Okay.
information.
Okay, then I'm gonna look at it.
No, I
That's
wouldn't
fine.
do this. No, just say
That's
the bag
fine.
open.
That's fine. That's fine. Just do
You know
that.
what I mean?
Just do
Like,
that.
so,
Just do that.
so move away then.
I can't see your code from here, mate.
I'm not. Here you go. Do what you need to do. You break it, you will pay for it. Okay?
How come you're not willing to open it for us?
Because you're not willing to give me the privacy to put my private
I can't
information
see-
in there.
look, you stand there. I cannot see that code, can I?
I've got, look, 1,
Hey,
2,
just
3,
come around the
4,
side for me.
5, 6,
Just come
7,
around the side
8
for me.
officers. One of them pulled up
Hey,
the taser on me, man. You expect me to trust you?
Listen.
You're off your nut,
Just
mate.
undo the code. No one can see it, and do it now.
What?
So I can check inside, so you can get on your way. All right?
I can see it.
Right.
Just don't put your hand in the bag, okay?
Shut up. Nobody asked you.
You don't need to talk to us like that.
You pulled a fucking taser on me.
Listen.
You absolute moron.
Explain
Just
why.
calm down.
You want me to be fucking nice about it? You absolute
Hey.
fool. You're going to get someone hurt. Stupid
Calm down.
woman.
Open the bag to
You
us.
absolute moron.
Done.
Shut your mouth and keep it shut and do your little job. Go and get your paper slip and piss off back into your station. You absolute mug.
There's no need for that, really.
There's every need for it. You pulled a fuck gun on me.
I've explained why. We've gone through it.
Well, fuck it. You're going to get someone hurt. I'm telling you, you shouldn't be in this job if that's what you're doing. You pulled a fucking weapon on someone. You absolute mug. So shut your mouth
not very
and just
nice, though.
keep out of it, alright?
Yeah, it's not nice. It's not nice.
I don't give a You're not nice. Not nice pulling a fucking taser on someone. You absolute mug with your blue line badge. Take that fucking travesty off and foremost.
Let's just stop that.
Where's-
You apparently.
Is it? Where did you get that information from?
From him.
Where did you get that information from?
You said on your phone as I pulled it out.
Whose phone is that?
Your phone?
Is it registered to me?
I assume so, yes, mate.
Property.
Huh? Are you joking? So someone can't give someone a phone?
Right, just
then it
stop.
was yours.
Shut up. Go once the bag's done. But
You're
you getting
talking
aggravated isn't helping anyone.
aggravated. She pulled a taser on me.
Right, enough now.
Shut up. Blue line badge, a lot of these. Look, 1, 2, 3. I bet this is my fucking room. Use it to the next degree. I'm going to have this police force for thousands as a result of this. So thank you very much, and thanks for interfering with my evidence, you little rat.
Step towards them.
What?
You stay over here while we're searching your bag.
Take your hand off me.
No,
Take your
I
hand
won't.
off me.
Research at the
You
moment.
just-
Any weapons?
We haven't finished.
Give me it back.
What's that
Oh,
then?
what's that? Is that a weapon?
Well, I don't know.
You'll find out, won't you? You'll find out.
Okay.
Absolute mug. Don't carry any illegal possession.
Can you tell us what that is?
Find out for yourself.
Okay.
That's a detective.
Criminal identity.
Let him detect
It's like
what
a
that
red
is.
spray, I think. Like a paint spray, innit?
Is that a weapon?
No, it's not.
Exactly. So put it back in the bag and piss off.
No, well, I asked you what it was, didn't I?
What did you
You gave me a rude answer, so.
Probably need to be seized to get
Seized for what? Seized for what? Perfectly illegal.
What do you use it for?
It's barb gel. Self-defence spray. Self-explanatory. It's not illegal. You seize it, it's fine. I'll sue you for that as well. You've already up to a massive degree. You start taking my lawful property and you go to the next level.
Possibly.
See, your colleagues know it's legal, you mug. So take all you want and we'll see what fucking happens to you, you little rats.
But there's no need for that kind of language.
Okay, she turned my camera off and you pointed a taser at me. So if you think I'm going to sit here and take advice from a stupid little fucking person like you, then you're absolutely delusional. So just shut up.
If you keep speaking to us like this, you're going to get arrested
For what?
public order offences.
What public order offence?
Intentional harassment, alarm and distress, section 4A.
Have you had a complaint from a member of the public?
No, but we're all here and we
Have you
are
had
fearing
them- have you-
intentional
no, no,
harassment,
no, you
alarm
need
and
to ha-
distress from your
The
actions.
threshold from that is very, very high. You understand that?
I do
You understand the
law,
threshold
yeah.
for that is extremely high. So you need to have a complaint from a member of the public. Have you had a complaint?
No, we don't
So
need
shut
to.
up then.
No, we don't
Do you
need
not
to
think
have
the
one. Don't tell
threshold's
me
met?
shut up.
What threshold? Not at all. You pointed a taser at me for nothing. Have you found anything illegal in my possession?
We're just checking why I pointed the taser at you.
Right, but have you found anything illegal in my possession?
doesn't matter.
I'm walking
We
about. No, it does
suspected you
matter.
had a weapon.
Of course it matters. I'm walking about.
Suspected you had a weapon in your pocket.
But am I carrying a
Okay.
weapon? Am I carrying a weapon?
At the time, we didn't know.
Right, but now you know that. Am I carrying a weapon?
Well, this is why
Am
you're
I
being
carrying a
searched.
weapon? It's a yes or no
Yeah, as soon
question.
as I'm done with the search and I don't find a weapon, you're free to go.
Right, so
Yeah?
at this moment in time, have you found a weapon?
I'm still
have you found
search-
anything
we're still
illegal
doing
in
the
my
search.
possession?
We're
No, you haven't.
clarifying that,
So from
and
my
then
point of view,
listen,
you know,
we're
you're failing to
clarifying
be
that.
objective here. Look at from my point of view, right? I'm walking about carrying out perfectly lawful activity. I've not got anything illegal in my
You're in a
possession.
balaclava in a police car
I've got a
park.
perfectly
Yeah,
reasonable
looking into. No,
explanation.
this is
Oh,
private property, and you've been asked to stop, and you
And
didn't
your
stop.
point is-
Right?
your
Can you
point
let me
is-
explain the point without you talking
No,
over
because you're
me,
not
please?
wanting to listen to my point. So
Right.
I should not listen to your
Let
point.
me tell you why, and then you can say your piece, okay?
You're not going to
Right.
listen anyway. You've still got a hold of me.
Yeah,
You've
because you're
not
still
found
detained for a
anything
search.
illegal.
Well, we
He's
might have.
absolutely
Just clarify.
delusional.
Right.
What?
You're going to let me speak or not?
No.
Okay, fine.
No, just keep
That's fine.
quiet.
You've
You've
not
already
explained
threatened me
to
with
you.
arrest, so why would I talk to you anyway?
I've not made any threats. I've
You
told you
did.
that.
You threatened me with a Section 4A public
Yeah,
order
because
offence.
that's an offence that you're committing. Right?
Am I?
Yeah.
So arrest me for it then.
I'm not going to at the minute.
So
I'm
why
going to
not?
find out the outcome of this.
Why not? You've not had a complaint from the member of the public, so you can't arrest me for it. You're talking nonsense. You don't know what you're talking about. He's absolutely delusional. He's high on crack in there or something. What are you smoking? Do you know what I mean? He's absolutely off your nut. From my point of view, again, you're still feeling to appreciate this. I'm walking about carrying out perfectly lawful activity. Whether it's a private car park or not is immaterial. I've got nothing illegal in my possession and I get a taser pointed at me.
We've explained why, mate.
It is a legal defence spray for the UK. However, I would recommend.
Put it back in the bag, little boy. Don't take advice.
Listen.
Don't take advice. Shut your mouth.
No,
Put
I'm
it back
going to
in the
give
bag.
it back to you, but I'm going to
Shut
give you
up.
some advice.
Shut up.
That
Put
if
it
you was
back in
found on
bag.
the street with that,
Don't
it
eat
might be a
yellow
different
snow.
story.
Don't walk in front of buses.
Okay, fine.
Don't play tag with trains.
Are we escorting him off premises?
Yeah, if he's happy to go off site, then he can go off site and he'll be on his way.
Am I being arrested now?
No, you're not. You were never arrested.
Listen. So my search is done. Okay. Like I said, if you want to collect a copy, you can go to the inquiry.
No, I want a paper
You've
copy
got
now.
3 months. Okay.
I'm requesting my paper
Alright.
copy now.
I don't have my laptop with me right now.
Go
Do
get
I?
one.
There you go. If you want
Okay.
that back, you can have that back.
Take it out of the bag. I'll just take it out of the bag.
Okay then.
No, take it out of the bag.
Grab it,
Give me it
grab
as you
it
took it.
Grab it out of the bag.
Oh, you can see my hands are full. Alright. Take it out of the bag. I'm not touching any of that stuff. Alright. Where's my stop and search? He's refusing to go and get me that.
He hasn't done it yet.
Are you
has he?
refusing?
Because he needs to do the stop and search.
I said,
I've not
did you
refused
listen?
for a second.
Are you refusing to go and get me that?
No, if you go away in the inquiry, I'll do it now and I'll give it to you. But right now, I can't just magic out of thin air.
I'll wait here for it.
You're not
You
going to wait
can't
here.
wait on the site.
Why not?
On the site.
Private premises.
Come on.
Exactly, that's why.
And if I refuse to leave?
Mate, just don't make it awkward. We're
I'm not
asking
your
you
mate. I'm definitely not
asking
your
you
mate.
nicely. I'm asking you nicely.
I don't care.
Alright.
Listen, I don't
Just
care
wait
if you
over
come
there
up.
and then I'll
I really don't care if you come up
That's
with a pot of gold. I'm not a dog, okay? Don't put your hands on me, alright?
I'm escorting you off the premises.
Pardon?
Could you please start walking this direction?
No. Again, I'll ask. Okay. Trespass is a civil matter. You have no authority whatsoever here to police a civil trespass. Alright?
I'm just asking you quite nicely if you could
Listen,
take it.
I've not really had much interaction with you exactly, right? I'm talking, don't interrupt. Very rude, be quiet. But again, I've been walking about conducting perfectly lawful activity. I've had a taser pointed in my face, pretty much. I've been handcuffed. I've had all my stuff ripped out my pockets, out my bag and all that sort of stuff. And you expect me to somehow take your advice, listen to you, be compliant and all that sort of stuff. You are absolutely off your head and delusional if you think that is happening. Now, private car park or not, civil trespass isn't a police matter. So if you politely don't mind jogging back off into your station and getting my stuff and search up, please. Okay?
Will you walk over to the inquiry office with us now?
And if I
do the stop and search.
And if I refuse, I'm not leaving till you leave.
We can't leave you in the car park.
Why not?
It's private property.
Okay, public right of access. There's a public right of access.
No, it's not.
Well, there is. I just walk straight in. There's no gates or barriers that are breached.
You know all authorised person.
No, it doesn't.
And yes,
No, not the way I walked in. It doesn't.
If you walk over there,
I'm not walking over there.
Oh, okay.
But it doesn't say that. I can assure you. I got it on film.
It definitely does. I come
Well,
here every day.
I guarantee it doesn't. It says it on the other side of the police
At the end
station,
of the day,
but it doesn't say the way I walked in.
so you either go over to the inquiry office and wait for it,
Right.
or we'll figure out something else. But you can't
Right.
stay here.
So what I'm going to say is,
Would you like it if you were in our roles and someone like you was stood here and they were around everyone's personal vehicles where they work on private property?
what's the issue with that?
Okay, I'm not going to go into it again. We've gone over it a lot.
What's the issue with?
So
No,
would
you've
you
not been
walk
into
over-
that at all.
We just
Let's
delayed the
stop it,
process of doing your stop and search record.
No, you can go get it. I'm not stopping you from doing anything.
You can't stay here. You know.
Why not?
Why? Let's just go over to the inquiry officer and he'll get you stop and search.
No, I'm waiting here.
Okay, right.
This is where I had a loaded
You're
weapon.
allowed to wait here, but that's fine. We'll
Well-
liaise with our sergeant, okay?
Okay, fine. Who's your sergeant?
He's over there. I don't know because it's not my normal one.
Yeah.
I can get his name.
Why do you keep getting close to me? Do you fancy me or something?
You stood back and she
Ah.
was behind you, okay?
Well, why are you shadowing me then? Like, what are you doing?
I'm stood next to him.
I know I smell nice and that, but come on, behave. You have absolutely messed up to the next degree. Absolutely messed up to the next degree. Anyway, I'm off for a wander. See you later. What are you doing?
No, you're going to stay here.
Oh, so I thought I couldn't stay here.
Okay, right.
So what is it? A minute ago you were telling me to move on. I'm telling you I'm moving on.
Road.
What?
Do you want to go back onto the main?
No, I'll go. It's a free country. I'll go wherever I want to go. So long as I'm within the confines of the law.
You're very aggravated.
I've had a taser pointed in my face. Do you not understand what just happened?
Listen.
I'm not your mate.
Okay.
Please stop calling me that.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. Alright. I apologise. Alright. Is there anything I can say or do to make you move on today?
Pardon?
Why do you want to be here?
Principle more than anything at this moment in time, yeah.
What are you doing here? What's the end goal then?
Pardon?
What's the end goal?
Very good question. What I do is I go about places of public interest and I document them for my YouTube channel. Those include police stations, it includes council buildings, it's normally public funded institutions. One of them being this fine establishment, or what I thought was a fine establishment, which you have made a massive mistake. You have messed up to the next degree. So, as I say to your colleague, public right of access, Section 3 of the Criminal Justice Act 1972. It's publicly accessible and come in here all you want.
This is what my colleague's got to say to you.
So is there anything I can say or reasonably do to make you move on with me into the inquiry office?
And the inquiry office.
Yeah.
So what happens if I don't?
What happens if you don't?
Yeah.
I'm asking you, is there anything I
You
can
can answer
say or
that
do?
question. If you answer that question, then
I'll arrest you for aggravated trespass.
it's not
alright?
aggravated trespass.
It's up to you, mate.
Under threat of arrest, I'll leave, okay?
Yeah.
But I'm glad you said that, because now I'll sue you for that as well.
Okay, go on.
Alright, under threat of arrest, under duress, I am leaving. Do you know what aggravated trespass is, though?
It's your decision.
Do you know what aggravated trespass is? Do you know what aggravated trespass is?
I'm asking you.
No, do you know what aggravated trespass is?
To make you move on, okay?
Do you know what aggravated trespass is?
Alright.
Do you know what aggravated trespass is?
You can get on with your day now.
I'll be coming straight back in. Once I'm off the property, I will come straight back in.
We'll get arrested for aggravated.
It's not aggravated trespass.
Please leave.
Do you know what aggravated trespass is?
Please leave the site.
Shut
now.
your mouth. Go and get that stop and search slip.
Don't speak to me like that. Please leave the site
I
now.
want my stop and search slip.
He's not had a chance to do it. Please
Well,
leave
you said I was
now.
to go with him to the
No,
office.
he didn't. He said, please
My
leave
stop and search slip.
Go to the inquiry
What's happening with that?
Leave the premises.
We're going to get it.
You're under arrest for aggravated trespass, right? You have to say nothing, right? You defend to be not moving.
I'm going to take this from you because you're now under arrest, alright? Video's being ended, but our body camera.
You have to say anything, mate. You defend to be not moving.
I'm going to take this from you because you're now under arrest, alright?
Anything you do say may be getting as evidence. Do you understand? Yeah?
You got that? Oh, yeah. Am I able to take the phone out of here because I don't
Take the bag off.
turn it off?
Who's the sergeant here? Who's the sergeant? You know what aggravated trespass is? Yeah. Good luck seeing this.
The encounter ends with the auditor being arrested for aggravated trespass, held in custody for nearly 10 hours, and having all of his recording equipment seized. The police even applied for a destruction order to permanently get rid of his footage and cameras, but the auditor played the long game. Weeks later, he stands outside the magistrate's court to reveal that the entire case was dismissed. The destruction order failed, the SIBO failed, and the police lost every step of the way. Now, he is preparing a civil claim to take them to the cleaners. This video proves that when police abuse their power to silence free speech, fighting back through the legal system works. Never let them intimidate you into giving up your rights. Subscribe to the channel for more accountability.